Welcome to our Microsoft Fabric demo. Designed for seamless collaboration, Microsoft Fabric enables organizations to centralize their data, streamline workflows, and gain real-time insights without switching between multiple tools. To begin, you'll see options to navigate based on your persona, such as data engineering or data science, or by specific product, like Power BI, Data Factory, or Data Activator. This allows you to easily customize your experience based on your role and needs. For this example, we're going to use a sample warehouse. Fabric allows you to quickly set up a warehouse using built-in sample data, perfect for testing and learning. That sample data is stored in one of my workspaces. Workspaces allow you to organize your projects and enable teams to collaborate on datasets, reports, and analytics projects in a structured environment. A data warehouse is a structured repository that centralizes data from different sources for analytics and reporting. We'll use the NYC taxi trip dataset, but in real-world scenarios, you can connect your own business data from Dynamics 365, F&O, or CRM. You will also have the option to see this data in different views. In the data view, it's showing data that's in a table format. For those who have experience with SQL tools, this is similar to a SQL Server object browser, where you're seeing the tables listed and other items. If I had built any queries, I could look at this from the query view as well. Now that we're back on the model view, you can see a common table for all the NYC taxi trip information for things such as distance, tax, tip, and dates. Have more data you want to add to your tables? Fabric makes it easy to do under the Get Data option. This is the Dataflow Gen 2 option for bringing additional data into the warehouse. For those that have used Power BI, particularly Power Query, Microsoft is continuing to move in that direction to give you a low-code option of bringing data in from your other sources. Let's look at the options available when I select to get data from another source. Here you'll see a full range of data sources that can be connected to through a quick search or by clicking on the appropriate category. Once you have your data, you can choose how you want to view it for yourself and how you want to share it with others. This makes it so everyone is working from a single source of truth. We're going to look at a basic report created from the data. In our report, we can utilize specific parameters to drill down into key areas of interest, with the data adjusting accordingly. Want to add more elements to your dashboard? This section will show you all of the data you have available to add and allow you to choose the visualization you want. Here you'll see I added the sum of total amount and sum of tip amount to my dashboard in just a few clicks. Interested in learning more about how you can utilize your data more effectively and make informed decisions faster than ever? Speak with one of our experts at Velosio.